Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. This will be not typical video for crypto or trading channels because today I want to talk about how to work with the media, how to work with the headlines, how to work with some sources, listings, and all of this stuff. First of all, guys, it's just based on my experience, right? So it's individual stuff, and it's not some like technical analysis. No. It's not about technical analysis. It's not about some levels, about some FIB or the charts or some magic. No, it's just more about the manipulations. It's more about the human nature, psychology. So first of all, yes, we got like charts, we got like price section, but the news deliver the price faster or slower to the targets, to the liquidity pools. We can't know the timing. We can't know. Nobody can know the time when it will happen. We can work with the current data, with the current charts, and just mark the levels. So base it on what the price will be delivered to the right target, to the next liquidity pool, bullish one or bearish one. We can't know based on what. It can be just seasonality. It can be some partnership. It can be just liquidity flow right into that token. Who could predict, for example, so the Om mantra will pump 35,000% gains in the last 3 years, while the all other tokens dump it. So for us, like retailers, they show this information, like they explain this pump, like, oh, take a look, that is a great project, this is a technology, this is a great partnership, this is a investment of venture funds, blah, 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 all this stuff. But basically, guys, in real time, it's a market maker's job. It's planned before. We can't know when the market maker will stop the price pump. We can't know. They know. Definitely, they know. They definitely know the timing when. They know why they will stop it. I want to show you also here. No, let me show you on. Let me show you on this one on TRB. TRB. This is how the market makers works. So if you been here last year. This was a pump, DWF Labs. Here, 1 hour time frame. So it's not an organic move, guys. Unfortunately, a lot of things what happen in the market, it's not organic move. This one. This is a TRB, even by hours. Take a look. Pump, 23, and 1st January 1st. Parabolic move without a news, without any hype around the TRB, just in one single day. Here on December 31, this is how the market makers works. Pump 168 before they also manipulate the price because they invest in that token, and they know before where exactly they will stop, at what size, and what they will do next. We can't know. That's why if you see some anomaly, on a chart, some crazy pump, it can be some news, some rumors, or market maker's job. And you have to, if you, for example, join here, don't be so greedy and fix profit step by step. Even it's a spot, guys. Use also the stop losses on the spot, because even, for example, if you enter here at 233 and not fix 168%, because it's good profit, because you have to fix at least initial deposit. You could be in a losses like 47% or even more, 50%. And imagine just in the next 1 hour, they dumped the price 67%. So the people who bought it here, for example, for 10K because they think now we skyrocket. Yes, a lot of people buying here. It's just about a human nature, human psychology, human greed, and the fear FOMO, I don't want to miss this trend because some influencers start shilling at 600, we go into 1K, and yes, it can be the potential 100% profit and all of this stuff. And so we dump 67%, so 70% down. You invest 10K in 1 hour, bam, minus 7K. So guys, work with your fear and greed, and understand not everything what you see on the chart, it's just organic moves. So this is one moment. I want to show you another moment. Track the news, track the coins, and track your emotion. First of all, we can't track all news. It's impossible. We can't track all news for all tokens. It's also impossible. So you have to create a watch list, what tokens you track, what news, what updates, what rumors you track about that tokens. For example, you focus on ICP, Algorand, HBAR, XRP, and you track all news and track how the price reacts on that news, how the price reacted before. So you remember my mistake was about Algorand. So Algo was a partnership with FIFA, right? And I thought Algo will skyrocket, but nothing happened, right? So sometimes it's just not a fake news, it's a fact news, but sometimes the news cannot affect the price so much like you want. Now we got the same partnership with HBAR. So the FIFA work with HBAR to tokenize some stuff in around the football, right? We will see how it will affect the price. Maybe it will not affect the price. That's why, guys, keep focus on some limited amount of tokens and news about that tokens. Because if you see some top gainers today on a Binance, some token pump it, and you see, wow, this token pump it because of this news, don't react emotionally. Don't hop into that token. Don't try to catch the short, right? Open short position because you can get a liquidation, right? So work only with that tokens where you track it. Next one, don't believe in everything what you see in media, in global media like CoinDesk, Decrypt, I don't know, CoinMarketCap, whatever, right? The top media, even the Wall Street Journal, right? Washington Post. It's not only about a crypto. Don't believe in media, what they post about the wars, what they post about the rumors, I don't know, about everything. It's just the news, and you have to understand the media, especially in crypto space, it's paid articles, guys. So it's just the people write that articles. And if I'm the owner of some source, and I don't care, I don't have any responsibility for that post, right? So I can, you can come into my office, right, and give me the money and say, hey, can you make a good post about some upcoming partnership for my token? And yes, it can be the real partnership, upcoming partnership, right? Yes, of course, you give me the money, I made a post, right? And because of my reputation, right, because of my engagement, the other small media start copying my posts. And this is how it works. But that post is paid one. And we can't track which post is paid, which one is not. It can be the fake post from like last year from Cointelegraph, when some intern post some random stuff, right? And after that, the people realize, oh, it was just a fake post, a fake news. So double check who you read and who you trust. And don't believe in media and don't believe influencer. Also, guys, I always explain you, if even I share some idea, guys, it's just my idea. I never post some ads. I never share some paid article. I never post some paid analysis to shield you some meme tokens. I get a lot of requests, in the DM, even with my small channel, or some DMs about a post on my verified Binance verified page or CoinMarketCap verified page. I get a lot of requests, but I'm not posted because I don't want to shield the projects. because I understand how this works. And I don't want to be the part of this game when I receive the money, from random project. If, for example, the Drift or Metis writes me, can you do the analysis about our tokens here and public on your channel, and we will pay you? Of course I can do this one, because it's just a basic analysis of basic token, what I can trade. But I will share my fair analysis. If you want to pay me the money and say something good about Metis or the Drift or the Virtual or the Peanut, but I see on the chart it's not so good now situation in the market, I can't share you just random information, we go into the moon. Because the team want to pay me the money and distribute their bags to retailers. This is how, unfortunately, the big influencer works now. So this is a fact. And many, many times we saw the great examples when the influencers shill some tokens. And after that, the people realize they distribute their bags and use their followers like exit liquidity. So guys, I all the time repeat the same information. Filter your feed. Don't believe in media. Don't believe in influencer. For example, you can watch even this video and analyze this information and do your own research anyway for any token. For even this is just like educational information. At the end, all your decisions is up to on you, right? Think how and why exactly now post some media post something, right? Some headlines, because you remember the FUD, not a FUD, but the so fearful articles about the FTX. Everything go down. The BTC will be 5K, the 3K. So you just without emotion analyze the market. So all right, so we going down since November and May 21. We're in correction. Now we've been at 64K. Now we traded 16K. What the logic? Drop the BTC to 10K or 6K. What the logic? It just the massive paid articles share you information about we go into zero. The same story in 2021 when we traded from the COVID down from 3K to 64K. Millions, just a million influencer shield you information, we go into 100K. Why? Based on what? We have to skyrocket to 100K. You remember the last post about BTC ETF. So a lot of posts start appear in the market in the right time, in the right moment for something, for some purpose. And you have to understand why, who own this media, why they post this news now. If I could be the market maker, what I will do. You know this quote like from Warren Buffett, you have to buy when everybody in fear and all of this stuff. Influencers shield you the buy the deep all the time. No, guys, it's for me personally, it's a wrong idea. Buy the deep, buy the fear, because take a look. This was a fear on Starknet. I made a mistake. I'm hop into Starknet at 40 because I won't believe we will drop under listing price. And imagine I'm buying the deep here. We bounce like 15%, but after that we dump it 45%. Like example. And somebody buying the deep again because everybody in fear and use that DCA strategy. After that, we dump it 26% more. So that's the point, guys. No makes sense buying every single time when you see the fear and greed index in the fear mode. No makes sense. Build a plan, build a strategy. And don't be ashamed if you made mistakes. It's okay. The mistakes is just a part of our job. Buy the rumor, sell the facts. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. Because, with EDF. EDF, they shield the EDF before like 60K. I guess they approved the EDF when the BTC was at 50, right? And technically, it should be the buy the rumor, sell the fact. So when they approve it, we should dump to minus 30%. But no, we pump it 100%. So that's why, guys, buy the rumor, sell the fact. It's not always right things, right? Yes, you have to invest on some rumors, on some fear, but sell when you feel right is right for you to sell. Because also we got that seasonality, like sell in May and go away. Sometimes it's worse, sometimes it's not. Depends of market stages, depends of the market condition in general, the cycle, the money inflow, money outflow, the macro in the world. So why the markets can go in the sideways or in some correction in May, just because in summer it's not a so volatile a time for the stock market, right? And for crypto also. That's the one reason. It doesn't mean so that all investors, right? So accumulate all spring, and after that in May they press sell. If everything could be so easy, everybody could be the millionaires. That's why, guys, not all the time, sell in May and go away works. Double check the sources. I already explained about Cointelegraph. Don't believe in partnership, all of this. I don't believe in all upgrades, updates for roadmap. You saw the example on EOS. So they listed the project, it's pumped to new all-time high in 2017. And after that, they worked so hard, last, I don't know, 7 years, and price only going down. So what's exactly they work on? What's proposed to their partnership? What's proposed of their upgrades, updates? They updated even the year ago the tokenomics, and nothing happened. And you remember a lot of partnership, and now they do the rebranding. So you remember the time when over than 20 projects partnership with the Google Cloud. Nobody could even explain what this partnership mean in real life. What's it propose? So some project become the validator of Google Cloud. Or Google Cloud become the validator. It's not affect the price at all. So this is just a random. So don't filter this partnership, this media post. You have to know we got like lagging in time. If you see some news, some rumors. So now at this current moment, we got a lot of rumors, just the rumors about the potential EDFs, upcoming EDF. This can be the paid post, because yesterday we saw the potential EDF from Canary for Pengu. For me, it's just a nonsense, absolute nonsense. What's the point? So we waited so long time period, the approved EDF for BTC, and now they so easy can launch the EDF for Pengu. That's why I will be not surprised if before the May, if the sell in May and go away will playing out, buy the rumor, sell the facts playing out, we can see a lot of rumors about the upcoming EDFs for DOT, XRP, HBAR, Solana. Based on this current market stage where we now, yes, it can be the sell in May and go away. And it can be the buy the rumor, sell the fact. Because now, when the DOT, for example, at $4, more logical to buy the DOT and sell on the fact when they will approve the EDF, or at least withdraw initial deposit. If this news appear when the DOTs trade at 30, for example, or 50, of course, it could be logically not to buy the DOT and start distribute based on these rumors. So you have to work with the chart and the timing when they start post this news and these rumors, right? Also, the centralized exchanges listings, I will show you just a few examples because the new users do a lot of mistakes. Now, this is example on 2-minute time frame. Let's go to 1-minute time frame for FOMS, Fed decision rate. What I want to share with you. So just keep in mind, you can go to Forex Factory, find out all these days when some unemployment claims posted news data, when the Fed posts the facts about the rates, and double check the behavior of the price action. So what I realized in the last 3 years for the Fed decision, if, for example, we're in the sideways and you see this is a minute time frame, when you see the upside move before the Fed decision, most likely we will see the flash crash down, recover back, and drop it under this price anyway. If we will see firstly drop, bounce, test, we're going higher and liquidate all of these guys. So depends of first direction on the 1-minute time frame in the fact when they posted the release of the Fed decision. You know, you can identify the potential price movement for the next few days. Also, keep in mind, after some key events like Fed decision, I don't know, maybe some Trump signed some new law, you have to, like BTC reserve, you have to understand we need 2-3 days the market calm down. So the market makers, the centralized exchanges, the retailers understand what's happening, right? And only after that, we will lead the price to the right direction in the next days. So guys, to trade news or not, it's only up to you. I mostly skip the news because it's so volatile, it's so risky. So here, it's like, yes, it's like 2% pump dump, you know, but with a 10x leverage, it can be like 20%. Even yes, 20%. That's why, guys, I recently skipped the news trades. Take a look, guys, about the listings here. Loom. No. Let me show you this one. So centralized exchanges listing, airdrops listing before low liquidity centralized exchanges. So first moment, if some token like BitTensor traded on, for example, a year on the max, and after that you see the listing on Binance, it's not a bullish news, guys. It's not bullish one. So this was an example with the Metis. A lot of people trap it. So this Metis traded long-term period in accumulation zone on other exchanges. So it's not a brand new token. While this token traded on other exchanges, right, this is example on HTX, we trade at all this in period, they will accumulate. After that, they need to Binance, or they need to Coinbase, they need to, I don't know, Robinhood, the liquidity. So they list this token, and this is not a bullish news, guys. Bullish, it's a rumors, it's announcement, it's some trash talk about the potential listing on the Binance, for example. It's not a time to in token. If the token traded before the major exchanges, right? And this is how it's playing out. So this is a day of listing, this one. And so here, March 11. March 11 listing, this one. And after that, we dump it. These guys who accumulated all the same period here, just distribute on that news. And of course, they publish this announcement exactly in March, while almost all coins pump it. So they choose the right time. It's not random. It's not random, guys. The same story with the listings, all this recent listing, 2023, 2024, 2025. Initiation accumulation pump model. And now a lot of tokens listed with after airdrops. So that's why we got a pretty huge FTV and big market caps. So they work in marketing campaign, for distribution of the airdrop. They distribute the airdrop, and after that, they work on a marketing campaign for the listings. Mostly, they paid for their listings or paid in tokens allocation. So it's not like a payment in USDT. It can be a payment in the allocation of the tokens. The Starknet is a great example. So you can open the Dune and double check how many people use the Starknet. Of course, on here on the BitGet is a little bit lower. This one, the 8 cents or even 10, 20. I don't remember exactly which one. It's lower point, but this is a listing. The market makers push the price higher, and after that they distribute step by step the bags because it's not a bullish one. So the listing on a Binance, a listing on a centralized exchanges token after 2 years or a year of farming some activity for airdrop, it's not bullish one. And you have to understand, it's not only retails dump the price. It's market makers, it's a venture funds, it's a team dump it from side wallets. So it's a fact, guys. Of course, they post you some data about here's our lock time period, right? So this is a shadow, everything transparency. Guys, come on, we know how this works. Next one, I posted this image, you can save it and find it in the Telegram channel. So this is like visualization, just in theory, how the listings and how the updates can affect the price. This is how if you track the DWF labs, jump trading, the Wintermute, you can understand what will happen next if you see the accumulation. About accumulation from the market makers, I will post some updates or share with you how to track their actions on Arkham. It can be useful. The Binance previously, yes, it's old, I guess, it's old screen. Previously, the Binance listing was a bullish one. Now, like you can see, like behavior in the last 3 years, the Binance listing, it's a bearish one. So Binance lost that momentum. So if the token listed on the Binance is bullish one. No, now it's bearish one. The same story with Upbeat, and I want to show them how the people trap it. So just Matisse already showed them. I want to show you just example on virtual drift and Loom, how the Upbeat announcement about listing, right, affect the price. So usually this Loom here, investment warning Loom. So Loom BTC trading pair, March 18, this one. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. So this is how the candle looks like. So you can find out, guys, in 90% cases, the announcement about a listing of the token, no matter what the market stage now, on an Upbeat, it will affect the price like this one, 50, 200, even 500% pump, and after that dump. So just keep in mind this one, because a lot of people made a mistake, and especially the new users. So they think, oh, if it's bullish news, we have to skyrocket, and now we never come back to the same price again. Never. Here we are. Pump, dump. The same story was with Ripple when they won the lawsuit against the SEC. We pump it, after that dump it. So we waited 5 years or so, and after that we just dump. You can track all of this announcement on Upbeat, just support center here with a trade menu. This one, virtual, the same story. Take a look. Even if we're going down and we already dump it from the low. Let's check from this low, we dump it 66%, and we got like Upbeat listing. It doesn't mean we have to make a reversal move and recover back to the main targets. No. It just sell. event. So the spike, pump, dump. That's why if you catch that moment before some randomly, or you get some notification and you so fast invest in some token and get like on a spot 20%, 30%, 50%, 100%, just fix the profit, guys. Fix the profit. Upbeat listing, in many cases, it's not the bullish news in fact. So just a spike and dump. This is a drift. This was a listing on Upbeat. And take a look example. Not all the time we dump it immediately. So here in one day we got like 100%, 118. In the next day we also continue pump higher, and in 2 days we pump at almost 500%. And I don't know why the people hop into drift after 500%, because that's move, that rumors, not rumors, the facts we listed on Upbeat, the market makers use to distribute their bags. So that's it. And we landed exactly to the fulfill, to the starting point where we start this journey. That's the point, guys. You can use that cheat list. Use, please, this information wisely. So always zoom out. And if you read some article, if you see some shilling, some meme token, some, I don't know, shilling of Ethereum, so it can be, right? So a lot of influencer shill the BTC, we go into 100K, maybe because they was paid or not. We can't know. If some people shill now the Solana, so we go into, I don't know, 1K, 2K, 3K. You have to understand, maybe it's a paid post, or maybe it's just not so educated persons who shill that information. Maybe they want to use the that one audience like exit liquidity. So you remember the wizard. And the guy who shilled around here, he shilled aggressively injective. He got like audience around 500,000. And he shilled aggressively. So yes, we're going higher. After that, oh, it's so cheap at 30. Oh, it's so cheap at 25. You're a noob if you skip it, this one. But after that, imagine, injective dump it to $8. And that people start using the DCA and lost the money, because we can't know in the moment. Maybe he paid for this one, or maybe he just want to distribute his bags on audience. That's why, guys, be careful with when you see some aggressive marketing, when you see some aggressive posts around, when you see some strange headlines, so positive or so negative. Just be careful and always turn on just critical mindset, right? And think about it. And also the Upbeat is just one of example listed on centralized exchanges. This is the same story can be with the Binance. Just the Upbeat is so bright full examples. So guys, I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.